So Techstars is in, traditionally what we call as an accelerator, right?
Yeah,
So what are the founders really getting out of joining Techstars?
yeah, for sure. So the Techstars program essentially falls into almost three phases. So it's a 13-week program, and it's kind of set up in three phases. The first phase is customer discovery. So we work with you to ensure that you truly understand who your customer is and what are they buying from you. You would be surprised how many people have an idea of who their customer is, but it's not clearly defined. They don't really understand why that customer is interested in their product. So even companies that are farther along, we find that it's always good to really reflect on who your customer is. So the first phase is customer discovery. Second phase is go to market and execution, which is more important nowadays, especially given the market situation, more important than ever to actually gain real traction in your business and prove out that your business has some product market fit. And product market fit can mean different things at different stages, but at least in your initial MVP, there needs to be some product market fit. And then the third phase is we're preparing you to go out in front of investors. So we're working on your pitch deck, we're working on your delivery, we're working on all of your documents, getting you ready to ensure that you're ready for investors and putting you in front of investors. We've put the past cohort each of them met with at least 30, 40 investors during program. And then after demo day, there was well over 100 investors at demo day. So that's kind of getting them ready for fundraise. It's towards the end. But that's the three phases of programming. But on top of that, each company meets with 40 to 50 mentors throughout the program. They get 2 to 3 mentors throughout the program. And then, the whole network of Techstars being able to raise money, getting you ready for fundraising. So that's some of the benefits. And the most important probably is the relationship you build with the other founders. It's very, I guess, it's not every day that you get to sit next to 12 or 24 other individuals that have chosen to start a company. You think of your friends and family, not all of them are trying to start a company and are at the same stage as you. So it's really nice to have that community of other founders doing the same thing you're doing, being able to share that. You really do build lifelong friendships.
Yeah, I guess, if you're just starting by yourself, it's a lonely journey, and some of the founders are just doing it without any co-founders.
Yeah.
But if I'm not wrong, I think YC used to invest 150K for in the of 7%, and I think they changed last couple of batches to up to 500K. Does Techstars also invest capital into the startups, or is it more of a time investment?
Yeah, so we invest up to 120K into each company that gets selected. And then in some cases, once you start fundraising, Techstars will also do a follow-on as well. And we'll follow on that, your initial kind of fundraise later on.